Shamai! An unboxing and quick first look at a new ukulele today. Not really what I was expecting to be unboxing, as this is a little bit of a surprise in that I saw it, I bought it a couple of days ago, so let's get straight into it. There we go. Okay, so I saw these not so long ago actually, when they first appeared. Hang on. I think it was on Facebook. Flight had announced these. Oh, there's a giveaway, but we're almost there. Right. Flight, yes. Some of you may have seen these, some of you may have not. I've only seen one other YouTube video on them. Fate, I guess. Basically, I don't go on Facebook very often. And I came home from work on, I don't know what day it is, Wednesday today. Came home from work on Monday, so just went on Facebook looking for something and straight away could see Southern Ukulele had posted literally a few minutes before that. And I was like, oh no, I need, you know the word, I need that. Okay, there is, just for you to know, in the box, a cable. I'm not sure what it, oh, and an Allen key. So guitar lead in there. I am excited. Saw it. Bought it. Simple as that. I wasn't actually, I thought it might be a couple of days before it arrived, but good old Southern Uke store. So comes in a nice, quite well padded blue flight case. Let's have a look at the actual uke. Oh, there it is in the case. And I bought it and then there were no more in stock. So I'm not sure whether they'd had a couple of them in or just the one. You'll see why I had to have it in a moment. Really nice case. These are. Okay, so there we go. Nice padded gig bag. That's not what I'm interested in. What I'm interested in is this. So, let's have the great unveiling. Okay. As always, hard day in school. And something to look forward to. We actually had ukulele club after school, ukuleleans today. And a few of the kids at the end were like, oh, come on. I was like, no, I've got to go. New ukulele. They got it. So, are we ready? Oh, it is the new Flight Vanguard in purple. Okay, so I've got a slightly better camera angle. Right, there we go, in its absolute glory. I'm going to keep it really short because I will do a proper review of it very soon. What can I tell you about it? The Flight Vanguard, it's a tenor scale ukulele. It's got a flamed maple top in this gorgeous transparent purple colour. It's a solid mahogany body. We go like that slowly. Get past the light. So that's the back of it. You can see there, strings through. Okay. See that? It's got a set neck. I'll talk about that a little bit more when I do the review, but basically it's not a bolt-on, it's not a neck through. It's got a double cutaway. Okay, I want to say this right. I think this is being modelled to something similar like the PRS guitars. Okay, Flight have a sister company that make guitars called Jet Guitars. I think that's right. Okay, of course it does look like a miniature guitar, but it is a ukulele tuned to a ukulele. It's got double humbucker pickups. Okay, it's got a lovely dark, I'm assuming rosewood fingerboard or fretboard with these really snazzy side markers. Okay, can we see those? A nice double-sided headstock. Let me just have a quick. Frets feel nice and smooth, and in fact it's got quite a nice binding on the edge of the fingerboard, and of course side markers as well. Oh, I am loving it. I'm going to have to plug it in now. And something I noticed from the pictures, and it looks as gorgeous in real life. It reminds me a little bit of some of my Ibanez bass guitars. This really nice indented body where the controls are and the selector switch. Hopefully you can see a little bit like that. But as I said, I'll do a full review of it very, very soon. As you'd expect, double strap buttons, totally adjustable bridge saddle. Oh, another nice feature, and the Flight Pathfinder's got this, a 0 fret. Just makes intonation a bit better as well, especially with the smaller scale and the very narrow nut. So if you're bending strings and things. Right, I think there's only one more thing to do. Let's get it plugged in. When you're tuning a solid body steel string ukulele, you really don't have to turn the pegs very much at all. This one is almost in tune. Right, the beauty of having bought something from a specialist ukulele shop, and they are really good in southern ukuleles. So thank you, boys down there. Another gorgeous uke. And weirdly, I've struck lucky every time. As I said, I don't go on Facebook very often. Ooh, sorry, I've just noticed that as well. Really, really nice inlay. Okay, I don't know if the light's going to pick it up with the Flight logo at the top of the headstock. Yeah, I've always hit really, really lucky. I was one of the first to get the Flight Pathfinder. Just sheer luck. As I said, I don't go on Facebook that often. So when I go on there and that's what they've just posted, boom, I got to get on there. I got the Reza Tenor electric ukulele from them as well. It just happened they had them in stock at the time. So today, the Flight, like that, Vanguard in this gorgeous transparent purple. Before I actually play it, I'm just going to put a strap onto the ukulele because I'm not messing about. I do not want to drop it on day one. That would be very silly. The more I'm looking at it, this really nice cream binding going around the body, and the flamed maple. It is really, really nice. Okay, so I'm going through, I hope you're enjoying the new setup. I'm going through my Hughes & Kettner Nano Spirit of Vintage amp, going into my, at the moment, bare-faced bass cab, a 110. I'm not going to try any effects or anything today. Let me just... Anyway, you can see it a bit better now. I'm not going to mess about with effects today. That will be for many other videos and for the review. So that's it. Volume down, okay. Volume up. So they're both on naught at the minute. I'm on the top selector, so I'm assuming that's the neck humbucker. Okay, so volume obviously works. I am actually recording tidy audio from the amp setup. Tone control. Alright, so that's top of the treble. That's probably top of the bass. Let's just go for now somewhere in the middle. It's lovely sounding. And of course I will do comparisons with this compared to the Flight Pathfinder, compared to the Reezer, and compared to the Fanner Exosphere. So that's the neck pickup. I'm guessing both. Yeah, it's a three-way selector, so this will be the bridge pickup. Nice. So I've just turned volume down a bit, but gain up a bit. I'm not going to use pedals. I just want to see what it's like with a bit higher gain. If you can't have fun, what is the point? So, if you hadn't worked it out, it's got a low G on it as well. Let me just unplug it, as we're all safe to do. So, that is the very first quick look at the Flight Vanguard in a gorgeous transparent purple colour, flamed maple top, solid body made of mahogany, set neck, really nice binding, and that really nice sort of side of the fretboard markers. So they are here in the UK. I don't know how many of them are still available at the minute. I'm guessing these are going to fly off the shelves. £300, personally, I think is a really good price. Lower than the Reza and the Fanner, slightly more than the Pathfinder. It really is a stunner to look at, I've got to say. And don't forget that really nice inlaid logo there for Flight. There will be a full review coming very soon. Plus, I will do some comparisons as well. I do hope you've enjoyed this. Yeah, I do get excited. And wow, this one is definitely worth getting excited about. This might have been helpful or useful. At least I hope you've enjoyed it. As always though, if you've got a comment or a question, please feel free, leave it below. Give us a like if you enjoyed, and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on new videos. Thank you for watching.